Hey, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. As always, it is tremendous to see you again. You know, anybody that has watched our weekly videos, seen all of our social media posts, recognizes that we were all about open houses.
We love open houses. And this video is all about why home buyers and home sellers should also love open houses.
Yeah, they should. And let's start with the sellers. Why would you put up with us doing so many open houses? And probably chief among those is just the exposure that we're able to get for your property because of these open houses. When we post an open house, first off in the MLS, it then populates out to all of these many websites, and it gives you that much more exposure. I mean, certainly algorithms in today's world always looking for attention, right? We're looking for something interesting. So all these sites pick that open house up immediately and give you that much exposure. It also gives us an opportunity to talk to you about the open houses as well. That gives us a lot more exposure, gives us something very meaningful to bring to you. And so therefore, that exposure is always tremendous. It also permeates through because we put up open house signs earlier in the week. So even if people just are driving by and they don't stop in, they do recognize that your property is for sale. And perhaps they will stop in. And many times they do stop in. Even in today's world, we get a lot of people through for just the local advertising that we do. The second very important reason is that these open houses get people that may be working with real estate agents to come through, but they don't necessarily bring their real estate agent. And we just had one this last weekend, an interesting story. And it's not the only time that we've seen this, that we were able to help generate an offer on one of our listings from this last weekend because a couple came through, their agent wasn't available, but they were out. And for the most part, they heard about us through all of our social media posts out into the world. So they were able to come through even though their agent wasn't with them. So we're able to get a tremendous amount of traffic through your property outside of the normal showings that occur through the real estate agents, through those appointments. We're able to get you great, I think qualified would be a good way to say, good qualified buyers that come through and want to take a look at your property.
And more agents are saying that. They're saying they're not getting as many showing requests from agents, but what they are getting are really well-attended open houses. So I think that's really important.
Yeah, very strong.
From the buyer's perspective, why open houses? Well, the number one easy reason is research. You get to experience different neighborhoods. You get to understand your budget and what your money is going to afford you. You also get to learn a little bit about communities, HOAs, and transportation. If you have to drive to that home, you're already looking at how close is this to the school my kids go to.
You're really participating, right?
So it really is tremendous research to narrow down your focus as to what is going to work for you, possibly for your family as well. The next reason is it also narrows down your wish list. So a lot of people start with a very long wish list. Most realtors are going to tell you, we're going to start with your needs first, okay, rather than the wish list. And by going to open houses, you're able to identify, you know what, I cannot live without the three-car garage. I cannot live without the basement to put my son in so that I'm as far away from him as possible, you know?
Maybe that view is really important to us after all.
So everybody has their particular needs that they want, and this helps you to view as many homes and get an idea of that for yourself. The last reason is that with a realtor, you get even more information. And I think that's the strongest point. Ray mentioned people showing up without their realtors.
Bring them along.
We understand their circumstances. They're not going to be able to make it. But if possible, you want your realtor to be there. We cannot tell you how many times people have fallen in love with homes, and then they have to, in a short space of time, ask their realtor to write an offer on a home the realtor has never seen.
Doesn't always work out
And
well.
that's hard. That's hard, because I know when we work with our buyer clients, when we take them to see a house, the first thing they ask us, what about the price? Do you think the price is fair?
Yeah.
And if I and Ray have not seen inside of that house, we can't give
And the
a
condition,
and the
right?
condition,
Yeah.
because photos will only tell so much.
Yeah.
You have to go there and look for yourself. How many cobwebs do they have? How many slots of wood need to be replaced? And you're not going to see that in photos. So I think that's a really important message we want to take to you. Take your realtors along, please.
Yeah, the activity is getting busier and busier. In fact, this last week, we just did one of our first broker opens in quite some time. So open houses, I mean, certainly the public open houses are working fabulously for us. That's why we do them so often. But we're also seeing ways to kind of be creative and get more and more exposure for these properties. And during those brokers opens, we also invite the public to come into those as well. Buyers are more than welcome. So there's a lot of avenues to use these open houses, a lot of reasons for both sellers and buyers to participate in them. We hope you do.
Yes.
Well, listen, this is just a short, small covering of this topic. We always use our weekly newsletter to expand upon this. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so, because why, Denise? They're really, really good. And we anticipate that there's going to be more and more information you're going to want to know about this summer. And as we go into, dare I say, the beginning of the fall market isn't all that far away. So subscribe. It is a great find for you to spend time with.
Yes, we're going to have the link below. And there's so much information in there. We hope you take a look. So until next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Enjoy this summer and happy 4th of July.
Oh, yes. Happy 4th.